Good morning, Bring a Trailer. We are looking at what has to be the coolest truck I've ever owned. '68 front end, but look at that front end, suspension wise. That's right, it's out of a newer Silverado, so it's got independent front suspension, all the modern amenities, power steering, cold air conditioning, disc brakes front and rear, LED lights, super clean inside and out. The paint job is just fantastic. Undercarriage is clean as a whistle. Nice BF Goodrich tires, Pro Comp wheels. Has a great sounding cam, plenty of power. But man, look at that. Very cool. Just gonna walk around, show the interior and the exterior. It's got a few little rock chips from those meaty tires, but I'm gonna point those out. They've been touched up. They're not very bad. Overall, super clean. Custom leather door panels. Everything's new on the interior. Nice leather stitching on the dash there. All new gauges. Modern stereo system. Of course, four-wheel drive. A few rock chips here and here and here. And then a few here that have been touched up. Dual exhaust, long tube headers, 700 R4 built transmission, shifts great. Let's see. Again, a few little rock chips here that have been touched up. How you doing? Billet column, tilt column there. Just a really sweet truck that was really well done. Drives great.